Einstein's Relativity, the Special Theory and the General Theory. Chapter 7. The Constant Speed of Light and the Principle of Relativity. There is not a law in physics which is even simpler than the law which describes how light is propagating in empty space. For instance, every schoolchild knows, or at least they think they do, that light travels in a straight line at a speed 300,000 km per second. Furthermore, we know with great confidence and accuracy that this speed is the same for all colors. If this were not the case, then the last light of a fixed star for different colors would not be observed at the same time when it is being eclipsed by its dark neighbors. Through a similar consideration, based on the observations of binary stars, the Dutch astronomer Willem de Sitter also convincingly showed that the speed of light cannot depend on the velocity of the moving body which is emitting the light. Likewise, the assumption that the velocity of propagation of light depends on its direction in space is in itself implausible, which has no experimental support. Even if we ignore the abundant evidence, empirical or otherwise, we can just accept it as true that this simple law of the constant speed of light in a vacuum, denoted as c, is correct. This is clearly justified, as it is even believed by schoolchildren. And yet, inexplicably, this simple law seems to have driven some of the most intelligent theoretical physicists into the greatest intellectual difficulties. Let us now consider where and how these difficulties come from. First of all, like any other physical processes, we have to relate the process of the propagation of light to a specific rigid body of reference, or more or less equivalently, a frame of reference or a Cartesian system of coordinates. We once again choose our railroad embankment as an inertial frame, body of reference.